Okay, people, so I went through my fridge, my freezer, and I have enough food, so I decided not to do a lot of meal prep this weekend. So I'm gonna show you what I end up doing. Not much, so here we go. So I boiled jahe. I made some, I guess depending on where you come from, that's pai or popo papaya. That's the fruit. Fruits are blueberries and blackberries. I made jahe mokimo and I made ndoma and doma mokimo. So that's arrowroots. So that's all I made this weekend. So well, I need to go take a shower. I'm heading to get my sugaring done. Whew. Yes, pain. My underarm and my baby girl need to be sugared, so that's what I'm fixing to do. I need to finish cleaning up. I've done my big pots and whatever, and I need to finish up doing that, clean up and go take a shower. Anyway, I'll catch you guys later. Bye. This is the freezer. My frozen meals. The freezer is not that bad. Frozen meals. So I don't have to cook so much this week. Frozen meals, I have enough food. So we're gonna rearrange that. Cost space for next week. Alright. We are going to clean this fridge today. This is before. Oof. That's meat, beef that I need to cut. That's salmon that I need to work on today. Oxtail. Then below here is food. Here I need to clean all these. Chapati, ugali. We need to clean all these. Yep, let's go ahead and do that. This is the freezer. My frozen meals. The freezer is not that bad. Frozen meals. So I don't have to cook so much this week. Frozen meals, I have enough food. So we're gonna rearrange that. Cost space for next week. Well, it's all cleaned. Everything is out. Hi people, it's me again. We are heading out to dinner. I'm taking Happy for Father's Day dinner, so we're gonna do that today because tomorrow is gonna be crazy. So this is the outfit of the day. Just jeans, something casual, nothing too much going on. The color, the top, it's almost what I had yesterday. Jeans, just chilled jeans. Yeah, we're gonna go do dinner, then come back home and see what tomorrow brings. So I'm carrying the same bag from yesterday, and that's it. Alright people, I guess I'll see you later. Let's head out, have some good food, come back and see what's up. Alrighty. Forgot to show you the outfit of the day. This was the outfit of the day for Sunday. Something casual, something, chill. So I went, got my lashes done, my nails done, and now I'm back home doing laundry. So that's the plan for this evening. I'm hungry. I'm gonna go grab something to eat, then come start folding laundry. Thank you guys so much. I think this will be the end of this vlog. I think it might be too long, but we'll start new one for the week tomorrow. But anyway, have a good night, people. See ya. Good afternoon. Happy Sunday. It's Father's Day. Well, it's 1:42. I have an appointment at 2 o'clock. I'm going to get my lashes done and my nails. So I need to get that done. My nails. I need to get that done. Come back home, finish up laundry. I left a load running. So by the time I get back, it should be good to go. Thinking of doing my weekly face care, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that. Just wanna be lazy today. Anyway, I'm heading there. I like going there so I can try and kind of relax when she's getting my lashes done. Kind of quiet. Nap time. So I like doing that. Anyway, I have a dress on. Sorry I didn't show you guys, but I have a dress on today. Where Sundays I don't do much because I try not to do too much. Get ready for Mondays. So we had a late breakfast, so I think we'll skip lunch and do dinner. So anyway, I'm heading there. Maybe I'll show you a little bit of nails being done or lashes, but lashes I don't know. Maybe I'll be sleeping, who knows. Anyway guys, I'll see you later. If I don't talk to you guys later, I wish you a happy, blessed week. One more week before July 4th. So it's gonna be a long weekend. So that will be nice. Anyway guys, I'll see you during the week. Toodles. Hello my people, I didn't get to talk to you this morning. Just got home for lunch, so I'm fixing to have lunch. I'm gonna go open the fridge and see what's for lunch. Anyway, my house smells so good. I love when my cleaning lady comes. Love her. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You know yourself, Miss. I don't know if you can say her name. But anyway, my house smells so good. I'm so happy. Anyway, let me go get something to eat, chill a little bit, and head back to work. So this is Monday outfit of the day. Feel like pants today. It rained last night or early this morning, so I didn't want to wear a dress. There we go. Monday lunch, spaghettios. Having some spaghetti for lunch. We're gonna see if there's any football, soccer going on. Watch that before we head back to work. If not, we'll continue to watch Comrade. Anyway, that's lunch. Hi guys, it's Monday. Get ready to go to the gym. This outfit of the day. I don't have my shoes on. They're downstairs, so I'm choking from water. But yeah, that's outfit of the day. Monday, go to class. Go sweat it. They say working out is cheaper than therapy, so that's what we're gonna do. Because today, child, yeah. Guys, I'm on my way to the gym, and today was a good day for Monday. But let me tell you, I left right on time. I left the office on time, 4 o'clock. 2 minutes to my house. My iWatch notifies me, oh, iPhone has been left behind. How would you feel? Oh, I had to make a U-turn, traffic, head back to the office, get my phone. I thought I was having a good Monday, but anyway, I'm heading to the gym. They say working out is cheaper than therapy. I need that today. Because I feel like this day, it's not my day. It's like one thing after another. And sometimes you get defeated. You're like, why are things happening? You know, I don't know. I'm kind of sad. I don't know what to think. I just need things to be okay. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, it's Monday. So I hope tomorrow will be a good day. I hope tomorrow will be a good day. Some people let me go sweat. Today you're not seeing my smile because that's how I feel. But I just needed to say something. I don't know. Anyway guys, thank you for listening to me. Yeah. Let me go to therapy. Bye guys. Good morning y'all. It's Tuesday. I don't like bad lighting. It's Tuesday and this is the outfit of the day. Tuesday morning. It's about 6:18, fixing to go downstairs, make coffee, and then head out. So this is what I have on today. Same bag. Let's try a different light. I don't like this light. I think this is better. Yeah. That's the outfit of the day. Something casual. Alright, my people, have a good day. Bye, y'all. Hi guys, it's Tuesday, lunchtime. I came home for lunch. Oh, our house is freezing. It's so cold. So we have OG&E, and they have a program that I guess it's called Smart Hours. So what we do, we lower the temperature in the morning when we are leaving the house, and in the afternoon we set it in a way that it's not as cold, to save on the money, on the bill. I guess that's why it's called Smart Hours. So the house is freezing. It's freezing. I'm warming my lunch. I'm having lentils, and let me see if it's hot. Yeah. And chapati. It's like a tortilla, fried tortilla, from the Mexican restaurant. I love it. So that's what I'm having for lunch. Today is better than yesterday. Monday was horrible. I don't know what was in the air, but it wasn't a good day. But today is better. So I'm gonna sit, have my lunch, and we go from there. See you guys. No gym today, so that's good. See you guys. Hi, my people. We are done with lunch. We are heading back to work. And it's raining. It's raining. Not that kind of rain, that weather. You just wanna be in your lounging wear with a blanket or a robe on your couch, watching a movie. Yeah, it's that kind of rain. I'm here, going to make some money. It's called bread, so we're going to make this bread. It's a good day. It's a good day. So I've been thinking about having a sit down and kind of talk to you, open up, talk about the chapter that I'm about to close and open the next 15 pages of my life. Talk about the previous pages in my book, my life. And some things I have to talk to Kathy and see if it's okay me sharing, or it's too personal. You know how it is. So that's the plan. So one of these days we're gonna have a date night. Just sit, grab a cup of tea, coffee, wine, whatever you prefer, and just chat. So I think I'm gonna do that when I don't have a lot going on. So that's the plan. I hope I'll get green light, because I think it's good. Because you might relate with a lot of people, because sometimes we don't talk about what we are going through when somebody else is going through the same thing, and you're like, oh my god, I'm not alone, and it kind of feels good. Anyway, people, I don't want to talk too much. Let me head to work, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hi my people, it's 4 o'clock, getting off work. Man, it rained here today. I'm glad I have no gym today, so I'm gonna go home, take a shower, get coffee, not coffee, but get comfortable and see what's up. Bird, my dear hubby twisted his ankle again, so he's in pain. I hope it's not worse. That's where we are. So let me go see how he looks. And then, but I'm excited. The weather is kind of nice. It's a chilling weather. So I wish I had a chocolate cake. That would be nice. You know, that would be nice. Anyway, so I'm gonna head home. Today I don't have gym. I don't know how to go to the gym and do my own thing. I like being told what to do. So the instructor up there telling me what to do, I love that. So on Tuesdays, I don't like the class that they have for 5 o'clock. And I used to do cycling a lot, but my knees, oof. Well, I guess also with age it doesn't help, but I used to love cycling. I can still do it, but it's from 7, I think it's 7 to 8. No, I think it's from 6 to 7, and I'll have been in the house by 6:30 latest. So yeah, I'm gonna go chill, catch up with some shows, and call it a day. And tomorrow is another day. So alright my people, I guess I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Good morning my people, it's Wednesday. We are heading to work. I just wanted to show you guys outfit of the day. Same bag, haven't changed my bag. It's kind of rainy, so I think I'll be wearing pants this week. This is how we look today. Anyways, I hope today's gonna be a good day, and I wish you guys a happy Wednesday, hump day. Bye y'all. Hello my lovelies, I'm home for lunch. It's Tuesday and this is what I'm having for lunch. I'm having ugali, skuma kale, and some beef. So that's what we're having for lunch. I'm sorry guys, I had to come home, do something, so I'm rushing so I can get my lunch and head back to work. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hello, yeah. You know what time it is? Going to the gym. It's Wednesday. It is Wednesday. Yeah, it's Wednesday. We're heading to the gym. Outfit of the gym. Today I'm dragging. I don't know why. But anyway, shoes. They're downstairs. I'm gonna wear black sneakers. Black. I don't know. I'm gonna wear something for sure. Excuse me. But anyway, this is the outfit of the day for the gym. Let's go sweat. It's hot. I think I took one Benadryl earlier because I was sneezing and I think it's making me all drowsy, but that was in the morning though. But anyway, talking too much, not making sense. I'll see you guys on my way to the gym, or I'll see you after the gym, or maybe not. We'll see. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow on my way to work. Adios. Whew. Let me tell you, the class was good. So this is what happened. I get in class 5 minutes before the class. Our normal instructor is not there. And we start looking at each other, what's going on? 5:15 gets here. Nobody's here. And then 5:17, we see Summer running across the class. Say, hi, I'm Rachel. I'm here. Oh, she's tough. And if you want to know what class is tough, people start walking out. When people start walking out, you know it's a tough class. Well, I made it through. I'm glad I went. I never regretting going to the gym. As I say, cheaper than therapy. Oh, I'm choking. It's cheaper than therapy. Because I know I'm going to sleep good. That's for sure. Anyway, that's how my Wednesday class went. It's weird. She didn't say she wasn't gonna be here this week. She was pretty good. But sometimes it's good to take a different instructor because they do it different. So you kind of hit different areas. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Anyway, people, I'm getting ready for my 50th. Yes. So I wanna keep up with these youngins. So I'm pushing. Yep. What do you think? 50, we are ready. Think I'm ready? I think I'm ready. Anyway, it's God's grace. We are here and I'm knocking that door. So I'm very grateful. Very grateful. Anyway, people, I'm almost home, so I'm gonna let you guys go. And you guys have a good night. We'll talk in the morning. Toodles. Bye. Hello, my lovelies. I'm sorry I haven't spoken to you today. It's Thursday. I'm heading to the gym. Oh my goodness, my day was so long today. I mean, I was busy, which is kind of nice. But maybe it's at work, which I'm not complaining, which is kind of nice. Anyway, I'm heading to my therapy. And see, I never used to be bothered how my face looked. But it's getting to that point. I'm like, oh, I don't think I look good. So look at this, y'all. Look at this. I never used to be like that, but I'm getting lighter and lighter and lighter, and I have no idea what's happening. Anybody knows what I can do? I've gone to dermatologist. They are like, there's nothing they can do for me for that, because it's not like dark spots. What is it called? Hyperpigmentation. So I don't know. And it's right under my eye. I don't know what to do. Anyway. But I guess something comes with age, so I can't complain. I'm grateful. I'm here. I don't do makeup to hide it. So anyway, it is what it is. Anyway, let me get a spot before I start getting all crazy, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Friday. It's Friday. It's a good day that the Lord has made, and we're gonna rejoice in it. What a blessing to wake up. It's a gift of life. We thank you, Lord. So here we go. We start our day. I'm so happy. I don't know why. I'm so happy. Anyway, people, I'm heading to work. It's 6:32. I try to get at work early. So I'm about 3 minutes away from work. Let's see and make this money. See how the day is gonna go. It's gonna be a blessed day. We're gonna be a blessing to somebody. So here we go. I guess, guys, I'll talk to you later. I don't know about lunch because today is Friday, but I might talk to you on my way to do my groceries. If not, we'll catch up later. Bye, y'all. People, it's so hot. I'm done with groceries. As usual, you look at your card and what you've paid. You're like, yep, that's life. Anyways, whew, I'm so hot. I'm so hungry. I made a mistake of wearing closed shoes. My dogs are barking. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna go unload groceries. My hubby is taking me out for dinner. Yay! I'm so hungry. Anyway, I know, people, I'm just talking, but maybe I'll talk to you during dinner. If not, I'll see you, my friends, tomorrow. You know what time it is tomorrow? Meal prep. But anyways, guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Some people are sleeping on the road, not paying attention. Oh Lord, my groceries are moving. My water. So hard. Anyway, people, I'll talk to you later. Bye. So we have butter, and garlic and ginger paste. So what we are doing, we are making beef tips for dinner. To add this onions. We're gonna add mushrooms and then the tips. Added mushrooms. I'm gonna add a little bit my everything, my to-go-to. Basil. Just let it cook a little bit. Okay, my people, that's the result. Mashed potatoes, beef tips, and veggies, and harvested, having the same thing. So this is our Saturday dinner. I hope it's good as it looks. Well, bon appetit.